My name is Professor Prabhakar and I am Dr. Manohar David's younger brother. I consider being his brother a great honor and speaking today an even bigger privilege. Mono and I are very close to each other, and my nephew Sam says, I haven't seen two brothers be so close, intelligent, loving, simple, and jolly, who maintain the family bondage and brings sunshine and laughter wherever they go. I truly consider Dr. Manohar David a Sahaptam. In Tamil, a Sahaptam is a word that is being used to mention an era. The reason I call him an era is because of the traits he blazed professionally and personally. Being born in a family of seven brothers, we never had a dull moment in our life. Losing our father when I was 5 years old and Mono was 8 years old never had any impact on our life, as we had loving and caring brothers taking responsibilities not only for our needs but also for our growth and education. Thus, this set the stage for many values that Mono held dear all his life. Mono had his initial education at Vishavibar School, Trichy, and later, as my mom moved to Virudachalam, he got his high school education at Board High School, Virudachalam. It was all in Tamil medium. This Board High School, where the passing rate was near 10%, Mono was able to successfully complete his high school education and even move to the medical education. When our two elder brothers got married, we gained not just sister in laws but actually two supporting mothers. This bonding continued as other brothers got married and more sister in laws came in our life and in our family, meaning more care and more affection. This was the family environment in which we grew up in. What we lacked in resources, we more than made up through love. My niece Geeta always says Monochitapa has 23 children as he enjoys the closeness of all his nieces and nephews. Mono was mom's most precious son of all the seven brothers. She stuck with him wherever he went and whatever he did. My mom never stayed away from him for too long. So, therefore, it was only fitting that even in death, Mono found his final resting place with our mom. A truly remarkable journey together. Mono's excellence is seen through his many extraordinary talents, a soaring oratorical capacity, a love for music, a stylish sense, a class of his own, an infectious laughter, and a generosity of spirit. These qualities define Dr. Manohar David. This last was seen in his support to his elder brother Christopher in all his difficult situation, and also the greatness in taking Evelyn, we call her Poppy, at the age of 2 as practically his daughter while he was still studying in the college. A few weeks ago, we saw the elder daughter Evelyn, that is Poppy, joining hands with her sister Rohini to give the most beautiful farewell to Mono. This speaks volume about the greatness of my brother, Dr. Manohar David. Mono's greatest happiness came in the form of Dr. Vatsala, our sister-in-law. Till date, I do not know what attracted Vatsala Madini to Mono. But Mono created a new wave in our family. My mom, an Orthodox Christian, accepted Vatsala Madini as her daughter-in-law on the first day she saw her. Narasimhan uncle also demonstrated his openness by accepting Mono as his son-in-law. Even 50 years ago, when marrying outside one's religion was almost unheard of. But these two families came together so beautifully and demonstrated how a boy and a girl who fall in love can be united in marriage. This story of love beyond the religion continues till date in our family. Mono being the pioneer of putting love first beyond all human social constructions. I still remember the eldest daughter in law of our family welcoming Vatsala Madini into our family by garlanding her. Till the end, this special bonding with all his sister in laws continued for Mono. All the 6 sister in laws listened to him and waited for his opinion. Probably Mono is the only person who can achieve this. His life is a life of celebration with songs. His is a life of comfort to every family member. His is a life of sharing and loving. His is a life of fun, laughter, and happiness. On the day of his departure, I complained. But my brother, who ensured my health and safety every day by calling me, will remain with me and all of us. He lives in us and through us when we act in the true spirit of humanity, equality, fraternity, and care for the weak and poor. The 4 ideals that he stood for and taught us all his life. Let me today celebrate Dr. Manohar David's life and thank God for my noble brother to this world and to me.